Hey, everybody! Today we're going to talk about mini drones. Now, a lot of people don't really know what a mini drone is, but they're actually a lot of fun. In this video, we're going to show you the best mini drones on Amazon under $100. All the links of the mini drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So, let's get started. And at number 5, the best mini drone is Zenfolt F10 RC Quadcopter Drone. A foldable drone with a 1080 pixel HD FPV camera can send FPV real-time video. The 1080 pixel camera is capable of HD vision. Even if you are a complete beginner, the drone's computer-aided flight control software will make flying easy and enjoyable. You can create a flight path using your smartphone to give you full control over the drone's flight. You can also direct the drone to hover in a fixed position and place for high-quality video or pictures. The enhanced drone can be controlled by one button for takeoff and landing. Protective propeller guards make it worry-free. High-quality materials and construction will protect the drone from accidental shocks. It is easy for both beginners and professionals to control the drone using the built-in G sensor design. You can adjust the horizontal and vertical positions with your smartphone via app. The app's headless mode allows for better control, especially when the drone has been out of sight. The drone will fly longer if you add 2 additional sets of batteries. You can switch between shot switching and speed control. 360-degree flips are also available. And at number 4, the best mini drone is F10 RC Drone. You can get up to 16 minutes of flight time using one modular battery. The bundle includes a storage box as well as 2 pieces of battery. This will extend the duration of your flight to 32 minutes in a stunning manner. Additionally, the battery that is modular is easy to set up and more secure to use. The device comes with an HD real-time transmission camera. F10 makes you enjoy the first-person view and view the stunning scenery through the camera with clarity and speed. The drone offers smooth FPV transmission at a distance of up to 80 meters. It is possible to capture and record 1080 pixel HD aerial footage and then share it immediately via social media through the F10 RC app. This quadcopter comes with a single-button 3D flip feature. The 3D effect is amazing and provides a stunning video performance when the flight. Shake your phone to adjust the drone's direction for flight. Create a flight route in the app map, and the drone will hold altitude, flying in accordance with the flight path you choose, providing you with an unforgettable flying experience. This will allow you to have a fantastic time with your loved ones and your family. F10 F10 is carefully designed to optimize the user experience with clever features. Because of Smart Return to Home feature, auto takeoff with precise hovering. The process is smoother and more secure than ever before. One key high-speed rotation could make flying more enjoyable. There are no limits to the sky in your playground. And at number 3, the best mini drone is Holy Stone HS110 DRC Quadcopter Drone. The drone features an FOV 1080 pixel 120-degree HD FPV camera. You can record unforgettable moments that are distortion-free, and also see images on your smartphone with the wide-angle lens. The app lets you increase your creativity even more and share it with social media easily. If you are concentrating on taking photos, you can take your hands off from the joystick and the drone remains suspended in the air, with an altitude locked. It is a great drone for beginners or children or those who are new to the sport. An easy and stable flying experience. The pilot will find it easier to control, particularly during the time when it's not in view, in headless mode. The direction of the drone is relative to the pilot. The drone also comes with 3D flips that will help you enjoy your day. Make gestures and the camera will start to work. Paper means recording video. Scissors means taking photos. Gravity sensor mode allows the user to control the drone using pressing and moving the phone in the right direction. Draw a route on your app, then the drone will fly along the path you set. Add much fun to your flight. When the drone hits a wall or people, the guards can protect people and the drone itself. The two batteries are able to accommodate a flight of 20 minutes, that making it easy to replace the battery. And it is safe to recharge the battery. And at number 2, the best mini drone is Holy Stone HS140 RC Drone. The 1080-pixel FPV camera comes with gesture recognition to capture all the great moments. You can use hand gestures to take impromptu pictures or fancy videos with high quality. FPV allows you to see the world through the drone's eyes in real time. You can now enjoy an everlasting flight with the two included modular batteries. This drone has a flight time of 34 minutes. You can be confident that the drone's battery lasts for many years. This drone is capable of multiple intelligent functions. The HS140 will amaze you with its amazing stunts, such as 3D flip while in flight. It can also be operated in gravity control mode, which will amaze you with the amazing feeling it gives. Tap flight and voice control allow you to customize your flight. The drone can be controlled by voice commands, such as takeoff, turn left, and turn right. You can also design a course for the drone to follow to ensure it flies as you wish. You can also choose between two speeds. Upon just one tap on the button, newbies and even kids can handle it with the facility. Thanks to some functions such as one-key takeoff, altitude hold, emergency stop, etc. Our drone is quite maneuverable, especially for entry-level pilots. And at number 1, the best mini drone is DRC D10 RC Mini Quadcopter Drone. D10 is very user-friendly and comes with one-key start, landing, altitude hold mode, headless mode, speed adjustment functions, and altitude hold. It adapts to any level of experience, even beginners. The 3D flips function makes flying attractive even for drone novices. The 1080-pixel HD camera captures high-quality video as well as clear aerial photos. High-quality, real-time image transmission via FPV Wi-Fi transmission. You can share this amazing scenery with your friends. This drone is suitable for both beginners and professionals. It has 3 speed modes: low, medium, and high. For more fun, you could switch between speed modes while the drone is flying. The D10 drone folds up easily and can be carried around in a backpack. 2 modular batteries are included that can provide up to 24 to 30 minutes of battery life. 4 propeller guards provide protection for the propellers and enhance flight safety. Waypoints flying is a new technology that allows you to create a flight path on your smartphone. The drone will fly in the same way. Your palm or V sign will be shown to D10, and the drone will automatically take a picture or video. The built-in G sensor allows you to control the drone from your smartphone. You can adjust the horizontal and vertical of the drone without the need for a remote controller. You can also control the drone using voice commands, such as takeoff, landing, and forward and backward. You can use gesture control to pose to the camera and trigger video recording and phone taking. You can take complex shots with your hands free. Headless mode allows the drone to be oriented in relation to the pilot. You can fly the drone without worrying about its direction, especially if it is not in your sight. The drone will alert you when the battery is low to remind you to return to the airport. I hope you enjoy this video. I request you please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.